today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can hire a McLaren 720S for free. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Chris, and on this channel I like to give advice and tips on how you can earn, spend, save and invest money.
Show me the money.
You might be asking the question, why am I talking quietly in a dark room by myself and wondering, where did I hire a McLaren for free from?
Go ahead, make my day.
Well, that's because I don't want anyone else to hear this secret, so we've got to keep it between you and me, okay? No, I'm only kidding. There is no secret, and of course I did need to pay money to hire the car. However, keep watching, give me 5 minutes of your time if I can keep it to 5 minutes, because what I want to explain to you in this video is how you can make the same money I did, which was just over £2,000, and go and hire your McLaren 720S or whatever supercar you want. Well, I know right now you're thinking, that sounds like a load of BS and a massive scam and you need to exit off the video right now. But what I'm going to tell you and show you in this video is how you can make the same profit I am and do it risk-free. This video is free to watch, so why not just give it a chance and just give me a few minutes to explain. Okay, prepare for me to blow your mind. In order for me to show you this, we first need to go back in time.
Marty! You've got to come back with me!
To December 7th, 2019. It was the day Man City played Man United. I had an email telling me I could bet on Man United at odds of 10.0. Oh, whoa. You're telling me you've got to gamble to win this money? No. Hear me out. They also told me on the same email I could bet against them for odds of 10.0, so that's for them to draw or lose. By placing a bet for Man United to win and also placing a bet against them to win, so a back and a lay bet, I'm cancelling out each bet. So if Man United win, I get my money back. If Man United draw, I get my money back. And if Man United lose, you guessed it, I get my money back. So how did that make me just over £2,200 then? It doesn't make sense, does it, if they're just going to give you your money back no matter what happens? Well, let me show you on this calculator, which is a clever bit of software provided by OddsMonkey. Free trial in the description below, by the way. I placed £500 at odds of 10.0 for them to win and £500 at odds of 10.0 for them to draw or lose. As you can see, it cost me £500 that I needed to put on at the bookmaker and £4,500 that I needed to put against them winning at the betting exchange. So in total, I had £5,000 invested. Looking here at the results, we can see that no matter what the outcome, I get all my money back. So the way we make this work is we actually need to place our back bet at bet365, because they're going to pay us out as a winner if our team goes 2 goals ahead. In this match, Marcus Rashford was awarded a penalty at the 23rd minute. Then Anthony Martial scored the second goal at the 29th minute. So at that point, we can now select on the calculator that our bet has been paid out early. You've then got 2 options. You can either leave the lay bet as an actual bet and hope that they don't win, so the game needs to end in a draw or them losing, and at that you would make the full £5,000, or when they get 2 ahead, you can then trade out of your lay bet at the exchange, which is exactly what I did. All I had to do was type in the back bet odds on the calculator, which were 1.79, and as you can see, there's my profit, guaranteed no matter what. If this wouldn't have come off this way, all that would have happened is I would have got all my money back, and that's where the risk-free part comes in. It'd always been a dream of mine to drive a McLaren, so I had to take the profits and spend it on hiring it for 2 days, even though I should have probably put that money into further investments. That's why these days I'm planning on taking any profits I make and actually putting them into buy-to-let properties or into the S&P 500 and growing my money rather than spending it on supercars. Now I know what you're thinking, if this is so good, why isn't everyone doing it? Well, that's because People against gambling are the only people that can succeed with doing this. That's because if you like to gamble and you try this strategy and make any big wins, all you're going to want to do is gamble that money, risk it, and of course you're going to lose it to the bookmaker. That's what they do, they just take your money. But the people against gambling, most won't do it because when you mention that you can place a bet and it's completely risk-free, their mind shuts off. They're not interested because they can't get their head around that this is something that's actually possible. If you're thinking, I haven't got £5,000 to start doing this, don't worry, click this video here and you can get going with this and start from £0 and build your way up. If you have got the money already and you want to learn more about this strategy, click this video here, and that is my full 12-minute video on how this works. And if you want to subscribe to the channel for any more helpful videos on how you can earn, spend, save, or invest money, click here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.